In this video, I'll be going through card activation and order processing. I'll be demonstrating what to do by placing an actual order on the NRMA mobile website and then activating this card and processing the order on our NRMA platform. So to simulate what the customer would do to place an order, they would click Buy SIM Now on the NRMA website, add to cart. They would fill out these details here. They might select a $100 card, and for instance here, let's say they have an iPhone 4. They will not have their card at this stage, so the last 6 digits will not be known to them, and the member number is not important. Now we have added a $50 or $100 SIM card to the shopping cart. We'll now view the cart and proceed to the checkout. This customer would presumably be a new customer, and so they would register a new account. And they'll fill out all these details here. I have already placed an order for John Farmer. So there's no need to go through all this now. I'll now take you to the billing platform where we'll activate John's card. So to activate his card, we first need to allocate a card to him. Now we can select any card from our supply of standard SIM cards. We know that it's got to be a standard SIM because he has told us in his order that he has an iPhone 4. So the last 6 digits of the SIM that I have selected for John are 87445. Now we need to type this into the search bar here in order to find his card. So now we are going to rename this card John Farmer. Click Save. And it says the SIM card renamed to John Farmer successfully. So we'll click OK. Now we see here that there are two mobile numbers on this card. One is an American number and one is a UK number. This top one here is the American number and can be written as +1 301 232 0918, and we can tell this bottom one is a UK number because the prefix is +44. So these are two free numbers that come with every card that we send out, and they have already been added on there. Just so you know actually how to add these numbers on, it's very easy. All you do is go to Add Number, and you can select which country you would like to add a number from. In this case here, we've already selected a United States one and a United Kingdom one. Once we've done this, we need to just make sure these have been activated here. The status of the card, the SIP, and the voicemail. Data should already be activated, but if it isn't, make sure you activate it. So now we have renamed his card in the system, we need to go to the NRMA administration platform and search for John's name in here. So John Farmer has a few accounts, but this is the one that we'll be looking at, this top one here. So we'll go to Options and select Accounts. Click Add. Keep in mind that this is a standard process that you will be going through every time you receive an order. So this process does not change. We need to select John Farmer here. Select his name. His account number will then come up in this search bar here. And then we will type his name again down there. and click add. We need to wait for this page to refresh and for this information to be filled out automatically here. We'll then go to top up management and make the remaining balance of his card $100. And then click update. Now we're almost finished activating his card, except his account remains deactivated. To activate his account, which is going to be important when he wants to log into his account and top up, we need to click on user accounts, which will take us back to John's profile here, and as you can see, the account status is still deactivated. All we do to activate this account is to click options and then click on edit. As you can see here, the account status is deactivated. We just change it to activated and click edit. Now John's card and account has been activated and his order has been processed.